Using a Visa gift card on the GOAT is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To use a Visa gift card on the GOAT, you need to follow the steps I'm going to describe. So, to use the gift cards, they can only be redeemed on goat.com. Then, to redeem your gift card during checkout, select GOAT gift card when entering your payment information. You will be prompted to enter the unique code associated with your gift card. The available balance of your gift card will be applied in its entirety to your order. You can redeem up to 1 gift card per order. Any unused balance will remain on your gift card and will be available to apply to your future purchases. Gift cards are denominated in US dollars, but can be applied to purchases transacting in any currency supported on GOAT. Then, additionally, your gift card balance will be displayed in your selected currency. Also, you may update your selected currency within your account preferences at any time.